G'day, this is a video on the SportsArt T645 16-inch touchscreen, 16-inch or 40cm touchscreen monitor. The 16-inch versions, they have the safety key on this left-hand side. If you did have a touchscreen SportsArt treadmill and it's got the safety key in the middle here, or if this bit's flat and the safety key's back here somewhere, if it's in the middle of the screen, then it's a 15-inch touchscreen, or if it's off to the left here and it's a touchscreen or a TV screen, then it is the 16-inch if it's off to the left here. So with this one's in its own standby screen as it is here. If you just touch the screen to start it up, to get into the back end, what you need to do is just press this cog wheel here for the settings, and then the code you've got to enter is 2016, and then enter. Done. And then you get into the back end here. Here's just some certain settings. You can set time zones and dates there, the language that comes up on it, the default weights and genders and whatnot, a metric or imperial, and then all the other settings down here. You've got, these are your screensaver images that'll come up on your screen that'll just keep rolling around, which you can add and delete. Screensaver messages here. Workout limits you can adjust here. Wi-Fi settings to connect to the internet. Network settings, you can set your home website, Bluetooth connection, internet connections, which is what you can actually have as favorites or quick links to websites. TV settings, you can tune and also set your TV parameters here with all your different channels on here, and scroll through here to get your channels. So you can do a tune within this section. Information, this is just the basic info on the treadmill, and then also the utilities here, which is just a bit more information. You can change, whether the beep's on or off. So when you press a button, it makes that beeping sound, or if you turn that off, then it basically won't make the beeping sound when you change a setting or press a button, it won't beep. So that's the settings there. In this info section, you do have total distance, Ks and hours here, but they are a little bit off on these. We find within the console, the kilometers and hours are a little bit off on the counting. So what we would normally do if you want to get an accurate reading of Ks and hours is underneath the hood cover here. You'll find in the back, once you take the hood cover off, you'll find in the back left corner here, there'll be a little circuit board with a screen on it. That'll tell you your Ks and hours there. You can push a button on there once you take the console off with the power connected, and then that'll tell you your accurate Ks and hours of operation. And that circuit board is just sitting on top of the automatic lubrication system that these treadmills have. These SportsArt treadmills have a self-lubing system where it's full of silicone in a little bottle in here, and then a tube comes down the side here and comes in underneath the treadmill here and just drips the silicone lubricant onto the underside of the running belt. So as the running belt comes back up underneath, it'll drip the silicone onto that, and then it will come back over the top and basically self-lubricate it at set intervals. It'll add some lubrication every 500 kilometers or so that you do. It'll apply lubricant there. So that's just the basic settings on how to get into the back end of a SportsArt T645 16-inch touchscreen. And then to return out of this, once you've looked at this or changed all your settings, just hit that, return to the main menu. It'll basically save anything you've changed around. That's why it's saying please wait. And then now it's ready to go and all set up. Thanks for that.